Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to see my Spotify wrap. So first, you just have to simply go to your Spotify or open your Spotify application. Now you have to make sure that you are using or you have logged in to your correct profile right here. In the upper part or section, you should see this all wrap, okay, music and so on. Now scroll down and you should see this section. Your Spotify wrap is here. All you have to do is to click that one and it will take you directly to your music. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to tap, okay, next, to see all of the result right here. Now, if you can see this section, like your Spotify wrap is here, all you have to do is go to your settings, phone settings. If you're using Android, scroll down and you should see application or apps right here. Tap this one, click apps again, and then search for Spotify. And then once you found Spotify, what you get to do is you have to look for storage usage and you have to click clear cache. Okay, so tap this one and then locate clear cache. Tap this. Once done, go back to your Spotify or launch your Spotify again, and you should see that your Spotify wrap is here. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.